What's up, Sunrays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing another what should I use next. If you guys remember, I did a video like that a while ago. I'll link it here if you haven't seen it, and asked you what I should use next between, I think I gave you 6 options, and you guys, you know, commented in the comment section what you wanted to see next, and so I tried to bring those combinations to you in the order that you requested them. That doesn't mean that I did it like back to back to back, but I did do it in that order. So I may have done one of the combinations, then I may have done another video like a vlog, or maybe, you know, some type of review, and then the next time I did my hair, I did the next combination. So it was kind of like that. I want to do the same thing again. This way I am actually giving you, you know, what you want to see. At first I was trying to use up products that were already opened, and I'm still trying to do that, but I don't necessarily have to do that on screen, if you know what I mean. So for instance, I just recently did a few videos using the Okra gel, so that got me to be able to use that Okra gel up. I just did a few videos using the ice curl, so that got me being able to use the ice curls up. So I'm still able to use up the stuff, but in between showing you what you want to see. So there are times when I'll do my hair and I won't film it, and I'll use those products to use up the stuff that's already open. So just keep that in mind. So what I do want to say is, in that last video, I think I did every combo that you wanted or that I showed except for 2. One of the brands that I showed you was the Curly Chick brand that I picked up from Target. I think I only got maybe 2 people even interested in that brand, so I haven't done that, and I probably will do it off camera. I'll try it myself, and then I may come back and just kind of tell y'all what I feel about it instead of actually doing it on camera, since I didn't get a lot of response for that one. And then also the She Scented Tropical Fruit Sangria Mousse and Gel, you guys weren't too interested in that either, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you in this video some new products and combinations that I have. And again, I want you to tell me what you want to see first. So don't say I want this in this order, because I'm only going to take your first suggestion, because it's easier for me to tally that way. Now I could do it on a poll and let y'all, you know, on my community tab, but a lot of people who watch me, they watch on TV or whatever, and it's hard for them to see the community tab that way. So that's why I'm doing it in a video. And so by me doing it in a video, I just want you to comment down below in the comment section what your first choice is. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you guys know I recently picked up some new products from Pattern, and I showed you because I wanted to try the new Palo Santo scent. So I picked up their shampoo, and then I also showed you that I picked up the mousse because I love Pattern's mousse. But I didn't have the Palo Santo scent, so I did pick it up in the Palo Santo scent. And then I also picked up their curl gel. Yes, picked up the curl gel. So I already have the custard, and I already have, I believe it's their harder holding gels. It's supposed to be, it's in a jar, but I never tried the curl gel, so I picked it up. So let me know what y'all think. Do you guys want to see a mousse gel combo? You guys know I'm really big on mousse gel combos. I like that. I love how it makes my hair look. If you watch the last one that I did using the Curl Origin mousse and gel, my hair turned out really nice, and I really like that combo. So I'll link it here. So let me know if you want to see a mousse gel combo with the Pattern products. And yeah, so that's one. Another brand I have is the Ouidad brand, and I have actually 2 different sets from them. So I have the Coil Infusion set. So I have the cleansing conditioner, I have the priming milk, and I have the defining gel as well. This says it's perfect for tighter curls and coils. So we're gonna see. So I picked these up, and I picked these up a while ago. I think one of you were told me about a sale, and I actually got the moisture lock during that sale, but I think not long after that they came around with another sale, and I think I picked these up. I'm not sure. I've had both of them in my stash for a while, so I can't remember, but I know that I had to get them on sale because I'm not paying full price for Ouidad. But anyway, so I have this coil infusion set. So let me know if you're interested in this for a wash and go, or do you want to see the moisture lock set. So in this one I have the leave-in conditioner, and I also have the extreme hold gel. So I can do a wash and go with this, or I can do a twist out using the leave-in and the curl butter. So I have the curl butter as well. So let me know if you want to see the moisture lock line from Ouidad, and whether you want to see the twist out with the curl gel, or if you want to see the wash and go with the extreme hold gel. So let me know. Okay, so make sure when you say Ouidad that you either want the moisture lock or you want the coil infusion, which again, this gel is supposed to be for tighter curls and coils. So I can do a wash and go with this as well. Okay, so that's 3. I also have Curl Origin again. This time I have the Maracuja Defining Curl Cream and Hair Milk. This curl cream gives a soft hold to curls, helping create beautiful twisted styles. Okay, so I can use the curl cream alone for a twist out, or I can use the Maracuja milk with the curl cream for a twist out, or I can use the hair milk. Hopefully it'll go together. The hair milk with the Curl Origin Marula and Quinoa Pure Flaxseed Curl Defining Gel. So I picked up this gel too in a pump. I have not tried any of their gels in a pump, so I wanted to give it a try and see how I like it. It said it's supposed to give definition, hold, softness, shine, and moisture. This is a lightweight gel formulated using extracts and so forth. So yeah, that's a possibility. That's a possibility. I hope it works for me. I don't do real good with flaxseed gels, but I wanted to give it a try. I love Curl Origin, so I just wanted to give it a try and bring something different to you, because the gels that I like maybe haven't worked for you, but maybe, you know, this one will. Who knows? Especially for those of you who like flaxseed gels. So I can try this for a wash and go, or even a twist out. So let me know if you're interested in the Curl Origin twist out with the curl cream, or the wash and go with the flaxseed gel. Okay, so that is what, number 4. All right, now I also have the TGIN line, the rose water line. So you guys know that I actually tried this line a while ago, and I tried the leave-in and the gel. The gel was clear at the time, or at least it was in a clear bottle. So I don't know if this gel is actually pink or if the bottle is just tinted pink. I want to think that the bottle is tinted pink, making it look pink. But my other bottle I had was just clear. So I wanted to try it again, and I didn't have enough of the other one. Plus it's really old, so I wanted to get a fresh bottle. And I've had this for a while, just have not brought it out yet. Again, as you can see, this is still used. So let me know if you're interested in the TGIN Rose Water Leave-In and Defining Gel for a wash and go. That is a possibility. or I can do the leave-in and the curl cream for a twist out. So I also picked up the curl cream to see how I like it for a twist out. And last but not least, I also picked up, when they came out with this styling lotion, I actually thought it was a milk. So I picked it up, and then as I kept reading it, it's actually a styling lotion. So I actually can use this as a twist out as well. So I can use this alone as a twist out, or I can kind of use these two together for a twist out. So let me know if you would be interested in that. I might even be able to put this styling lotion under this gel for a little bit more hold. I don't know. Just let me know. I know that that's a lot to think through, but let's just start out small. Are you even interested in TGIN rose water? If you are, do you want to see the wash and go with the gel, or do you want to see a twist out with the curl cream? Let me know in the comment section below what you would rather see, or would you like to see a twist out one and done with the styling lotion? Okay, so that is 5. Okay, and then last but not, well, no, okay, almost last but not least. Last but not least is, I'm going back to She Sent It. Like I said, you guys weren't really interested in the other She Sent It, so we're going to see if you're interested in this. I picked up the Juicy Curl Styling Gel a while ago. I don't know if you can see that or not. Hopefully it is focusing for you. I picked this up a while ago, and it said that you can use it for wash and goes or twist outs or braid outs. So I was like, okay, interesting, okay? But I don't have a leave-in or anything for this, so I was thinking that I could put the apricot and a lip-based softening milkshake with it as a leave-in for a wash and go or a twist out. So let me know if you're interested in this duo from She Sent It, if you're interested in this gel or not. And if you are, do you want to see a wash and go with it, or do you want to see a twist out with it? Let me know. And then last but not least, I've been having this in my stash for a while as well. It is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. Minx Kinks talked about this a while ago. Probably I've had this probably, I know, over a year, maybe 2. It's still brand new. I haven't opened it. But she was talking about how she really liked this twisting cream, and then I heard some other people saying that they like it. I have not used Cream of Nature since I big chopped, and I used to use the shampoo. I really like their the Cream of Nature shampoo back in the day. But I picked this up because, you know, people were saying that they really liked it. So I have this. I don't know necessarily what to use it with as far as a leave-in to use it with. I would have to try it. But if you have this and you like it, and you have a leave-in that you like to use with it, jot it down if this is what you want to see me use for a twist out. Let me know. And if you haven't used it but you got an idea for a leave-in, let me know that as well, and I'll try it out too. But yeah, I just want to finally break this open and use it before it gets too old, just sitting. So that's why I put it in here too, even though I don't have anything really to go with it. I just want to get it used to see if I like it, don't like it, or whatever, and then I can go ahead and get it out of my stash if for some reason I don't care for it. But if I do, then it's a nice affordable product that I can refer to you guys, okay, or recommend to you guys. Okay, alrighty guys, that is it for this What Should I Use Next. Remember, give me your first choice as to what you want to see me use next, and whether you want to see a twist out or wash and go with it, and I'll start trying to bring that to you in between other videos that I do. So yeah, so that's it. I'm excited. So this hair, in case you're interested, is a wash and go. It is using the Nature's Little Secret Okra Gel. If that video is not already up, it will definitely be coming. So keep a lookout for that. And my face is just very simple. I have on the Sephora foundation, which is their older foundation in tan that I use. I'm just trying to get it used up. I also have on the NYX Worth the Hype mascara, just trying to get it used up. On my cheeks, I have this Rare Beauty cheek color. I believe it is in Encourage. It was a sample that I got from, I don't know, Sephora or something when I ordered something. So that's what's on my cheeks. I actually like it. And then on my lips, I have the Milani lip liner in Brazen Berry, which is almost worn off, topped with a Tower 28 gloss in Pistachio. It's kind of worn off too a little bit, and it's okay. I've tried out a couple Tower 28 things, and I'm on the fence with it. People talk about it all the time, so I wanted to try it out. So that's what's on my lips. And then my eyes, I just took this Juvia's Place blush palette and used this berry color up here and just put a little bit of that on my eyes just to give it a little bit of color. But that is the look for today. If you're interested in these earrings, they're from Her Golden Empire. I showed you guys these years ago. And then the necklace, I believe, is from Nordstrom. I'll try to link this stuff if I can find links to it. But yeah, there you go, guys. That is it. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.